Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can change your password in Line. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Line Messenger app on your phone. After you have opened it, click on Home on the bottom left hand corner and then click on the Settings or the gear icon on the top right hand corner of your screen. After you do so, you can find Account. Go ahead and tap on your Account section and you can see the password. If you want to transfer your account, please make sure your password and email address are registered and up to date is written. So if you want to change your password, just go ahead and click on the password icon. Go ahead and tap on it, verify your identity, and the next thing you want to do is set up a password for yourself. Make sure and write down the password which you want and make sure it is safe and secure and nobody will know it. Go ahead and click on the I icon over here and check your password. Then the next thing you want to do is go to the second box and write down your confirm password. Make sure that both of these passwords match, otherwise you cannot change your password. Go ahead and click on change password after you are sure that you want to keep this password, and as soon as you change your password you can see the notification has appeared on your screen. So it's quite easy and helpful. Let me show it to you once again. Click on Home, click on Settings and click on Account. After that, click on Password. Verify your identity and write down the password and the confirm password. After both of these matches, go ahead and tap on change password, and that is it. I hope this video about how you can change your password in Line Messenger was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.